If you're looking for an all-inclusive luxury resort that delivers both sophistication and fun in one of Mexico's most popular destinations, the Hilton Cancun Mar Caribe might just be your perfect match. This beachfront property sits right in the heart of Cancun's famous hotel zone, where the Caribbean Sea meets modern resort luxury. The resort has been welcoming guests for several years now and has built quite a reputation for itself among travelers seeking that sweet spot between upscale amenities and genuine Mexican hospitality. What makes this place particularly interesting is how it manages to cater to different types of travelers without feeling like it is trying too hard to please everyone. Whether you are planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation with the kids, or even a group trip with friends, this resort seems to have figured out the formula for keeping everyone happy. The recent renovations completed in 2021 and 2022 have given the property a fresh, contemporary feel while maintaining its tropical Caribbean charm. The location alone is worth talking about. Sitting directly on a pristine stretch of white sand beach with those picture-perfect turquoise waters that Cancun is famous for, guests get immediate access to some of the best beach real estate in the area. The hotel zone location also means you are never too far from shopping, nightlife, or other attractions if you decide to venture beyond the resort grounds. When it comes to accommodations, the Hilton Cancun Mar Caribe offers a solid range of options that should satisfy most travelers' needs and budgets. The entry-level deluxe guest rooms are far from basic, offering around 430 square feet of space, with either a king bed or two queens. These rooms come equipped with all the modern conveniences you would expect from a Hilton property, including flat-screen televisions, minibars, coffee makers, safes, and reliable Wi-Fi throughout the property. What sets these rooms apart is the attention to detail in the design. The recent renovations brought in light wood furnishings and bright, airy interiors that perfectly complement the tropical setting. Each room features a private balcony or terrace, and depending on which room you book, you might find yourself overlooking the resort's lush gardens, the sparkling pools, or catch glimpses of the ocean beyond. For those wanting a better view and willing to pay a bit more for it, the ocean view rooms offer the same spacious layout and amenities as the deluxe rooms, but with direct views of the Caribbean Sea. There's something magical about waking up to those panoramic ocean vistas, and the upgraded balcony space gives you the perfect spot for your morning coffee or evening cocktail while watching the sunset paint the sky in brilliant colors. Families or couples seeking extra space should seriously consider the Junior Suite Ocean View or the one-bedroom suite options. The Junior Suites bump up the space to around 590 square feet and include a separate sitting area with a sofa bed, making them ideal for families with children or anyone who just appreciates having room to spread out. The one-bedroom suites take luxury to the next level with separate bedrooms and living rooms, plus kitchenette facilities for those longer stays where you might want to prepare your own snacks or light meals. The dining scene at this resort deserves serious praise, and honestly, this is where many all-inclusive properties either shine or fall flat. Fortunately, the Hilton Cancun Mar Caribe seems to have gotten the memo about food quality and variety. The main dining venue, Mar Caribe Restaurant, serves as the heart of the culinary experience with its extensive international buffet that changes throughout the day and features special themed nights that keep things interesting. The breakfast spread here is particularly impressive, with everything from fresh tropical fruits and made-to-order omelets to traditional Mexican dishes that give you a taste of local flavors. Dinner service brings themed buffet nights like Mexican Fiesta and Seafood Night, which not only offer great food, but also add some entertainment value to your dining experience. The restaurant itself is bright and airy with ocean views that make every meal feel special. For a more intimate dining experience, La Palapa offers beachfront a la carte dining that focuses on fresh seafood and authentic Mexican specialties. Picture yourself dining under a traditional palapa structure with your toes practically in the sand, enjoying perfectly prepared ceviche or grilled fish while listening to the gentle sound of waves. The restaurant operates for both lunch and dinner, with sunset dinners being particularly popular among couples looking for a romantic evening. The lobby bar provides a more casual atmosphere for those times when you want a quick bite or just need a refreshing cocktail. Open from morning until midnight, It serves as a great meeting point and offers a comfortable space to unwind with light snacks and international drinks. The happy hour specials make it even more appealing for budget-conscious travelers who still want to enjoy quality beverages. The pool and beach facilities at this resort are definitely among its strongest selling points. The property features 3 distinct outdoor pools, each designed to serve different purposes and preferences. The large main pool serves as the social hub of the resort, complete with a swim-up bar where you can order tropical cocktails without ever leaving the water. This pool area tends to be the liveliest, with poolside games, activities, and plenty of opportunities to meet other guests. For families traveling with young children, the dedicated kids pool provides a safe, shallow area where little ones can splash around under the watchful eyes of their parents. The pool area is well designed with plenty of shade options and comfortable seating for adults who prefer to supervise from the sidelines. Meanwhile, adults seeking a more tranquil experience will appreciate the adults-only infinity pool, which offers a more serene atmosphere perfect for relaxation and quiet conversation. The beach access is simply outstanding, with approximately 300 meters of private white sand beachfront that feels like your own personal slice of paradise. The water here is typically calm and crystal clear, making it perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or just floating around on a lazy afternoon. The beach service includes complimentary loungers, umbrellas, and towels, plus food and beverage service, so you never have to leave your perfect spot in the sand. Water sports enthusiasts will find plenty to keep them busy with complimentary kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling equipment available. Beach volleyball courts provide opportunities for more active fun, and the staff regularly organizes games and activities that help create that fun, social atmosphere that makes vacation memories. When it comes to staying active and entertained, this resort really delivers on multiple fronts. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and resistance equipment that will satisfy even the most dedicated gym enthusiasts. What makes it even better is the variety of group fitness classes offered, including yoga sessions, Pilates classes, and aqua aerobics that take advantage of the beautiful pool setting. The resort's entertainment program keeps things lively without being overwhelming. Live music performances happen nightly at various venues around the property, creating a festive atmosphere that adds to the tropical vacation vibe. The cultural dance performances that take place twice weekly offer guests a chance to experience authentic Mexican culture and traditions, providing both entertainment and educational value. Seasonal events and themed parties during peak times add extra excitement to your stay. Holiday celebrations like Christmas and New Year's Eve galas are particularly spectacular, with special menus, decorations, and entertainment that create unforgettable memories. These events are included in the all-inclusive package, which makes them even more appealing to guests looking to maximize their vacation value. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.